Follow these steps to see send follow request on Instagram. Let's get started. Launch Instagram. Now navigate to your profile page. Now over here you're gonna find the section of followers and following. As of right now, there is no such option within Instagram to see follow requests directly, but there is a workaround. So click on three bars given at the top right. Now navigate to the option Account Center. Head over to the option Your Information and Permissions. Click on the option Download Your Information. Click on the option Download or Transfer Information. Check in for your Instagram account, then click on Next. Now click on Some of Your Information. Now scroll down and check in for the option Following and Followers. Then click on Next. Click on the option Download to Device. Click on Date Range and select it. Likewise, select the format and then media quality. Once you do that, click on Create Files. Just for that, you have requested Instagram for the file download. Once your file is ready, you will be notified through the email address, or you can come to this page. You will need to launch the file. That file will include the following and followers of your Instagram. In that file, you will be able to find to whom you have sent the follow request. So this way you can see send follow request on Instagram. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.